During the fall, waiting for the floral.
Did you do it on purpose?
1,
My bad.
0.
You like sneeze like right in my head.
My bad.
Why didn't you have a mask on?
My fault. I didn't do it on purpose. Sorry. Wow.
You just ran into me from the back.
Oh, I didn't.
You sure did. You hit my foot and you hit the back of my head.
What?
It's Disney on my neck.
Nah, it's soon. I see you in the neck. What? No, I just sneezed. What you talking about?
Right, man.
What? You okay? Huh?
What was that?
What?
Somebody sneezed in the back of my neck.
I don't know what you're talking about. How much you need?
I don't know what your name is, but please stay away.
I don't know. Huh? What's that?
What did you just squirt on me?
I said nothing on you.
So you just sneezed on me?
Oh. I don't know what you're talking about.
What'd you just do?
Huh?
Did you just try to sneeze on me?
Who?
Did you just try to sneeze on me, dude?
Nah. What you talking about?
I'm not to be fucked with, dude. Leave me alone. Like, real talk. Leave me alone.
What is you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about. Please don't play games with me. I'm just trying to mind my business and be in Kroger.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You just tried to sneeze on me.
For real?
Dude, stay away from me.
Sneezing on people, they're escorting us out. Yo, they kicking us out. Police.
Multiple complaints.
That's what y'all want to do, right?
Multiple complaints.
Call the police. I thought y'all was gonna call the police, right? So call the police then. Ah, I thought you took out the phone. You was gonna call the police. Oh, okay, okay. Say hi to my camera, nigga. Yeah. You gonna be on YouTube too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, gang, 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 gang. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And what more was it? I don't even know. Hey, say what's up. Gang, gang. You want my autograph?